Good afternoon. Buffalo Wild Wings just reported they just reported their quarter. And basically I'm going to cover it with you because we popped right here to 186. That was the pop, but here's what happened. This particular bar hit 172. Now, that was an $8 drop from the closing bell at 180.29. It had a range throughout the day of 4.5. We got those entries down here at the bottom. And I'm just going to tell everyone that we hit that bottom and we got out up here at 184. And now it's 184.05, 184.3. And what I have to say is that Buffalo Wild Wings actually misses by 4 cents. And their revs are in line. Big deal. Capital IQ consensus estimate of 1.11. Revenues rose 19.7% year over year to 408.9 million versus the 409.01 million consensus. So, company-owned restaurant sales increased 20.2%, 384 million. The 2015 outlook is same-store sales increased 11.9% at company-owned restaurants and 11.1% franchise locations at the 5-week period in 2015. What I will say, though, we'll talk about the stores that are going into Canada. We'll talk about all of these things later. We are actually, we took advantage of that volatility. Whenever they, within 300 to 400 milliseconds, we had that order out here based on the daily chart. It hits it. You can look at that 15-minute bounce. And not only did it do that, from that 172 to the high of that 50-minute bar, that was 186.31. Okay? And then, of course, this 15-minute bar, we came back down, and that low is 183.15. So basically, from the close, on the upper end, it's got a gap that it's going to open up with. But the success in this trade, I'm going to tell you again, my MMTs, and all of our new people, listen, we are masters in this earnings season. And just let me tell you something. When that thing drops in milliseconds to 172, I'm sorry, we didn't get 172, but we did get 173.50 on the entry, and we banged it out right up here. And therefore, what we are going to do is worry about Buffalo Wild Wings and whatnot. And we've been covering this stock forever. So basically, this is how Buffalo Wild Wings reacts to the high volatility announcements. Like I said, December earnings of $1.07 per share. That's 4 cents light. All right? I just want people to know that. And so the actual number is 384.4 million. They're going to have their conference call, and they're going to talk about all of these new restaurants that they're going to be opening and where and why and what that management meeting is. When the analysts ask them questions, we're definitely going to find out. One of the other things that we do invite you is that we are masters at these earnings, and we've been in the earnings system right now for the last over a month. And we have all the live trades right here. We did Green Mountain Coffee the other day, huge trade on CMG, big trades on the on all of the indexes that we did. Amazon was a great trade, BIIB a great trade, Google was a great pop. The S&P 500, we called the very bottom on a Sunday night, which was only 5 days ago. And basically, all of the indexes are right back where they were. It's a beautiful trader's market. We're market makers, but this is a trader's market. That volatility makes you so much money that, listen, you get trades off the bottom, you get short at the high, you just do everything running at full pace.